I have a really important warning for you. Do not give yourself a makeover when you're decluttering the bathroom. You're going to be rummaging through things, finding items that you've never used, makeup that looks really fun, and your brain is going to tell you using that item sounds a lot more fun than decluttering. And so pretty soon you've done your hair, you've done your makeup and a bunch of wild stuff that you never actually use, and nothing looks good, and you still haven't decluttered the bathroom. So just no makeovers when you're decluttering. So the first item on this list is the thing about hair tools is that they rarely stop working completely. It's more like they stop working as well. And so you keep the other one as a backup, but then when was the last time you used your backup hair tools? Because the new ones usually work pretty well. The second item that you can declutter right into the trash is whatever you use to scrub your body with in the shower. Take a look at what it is supposed to look like new and compare it to what yours looks like. Like, does this look familiar to you? In our house, we use these poofies, and this is what they end up looking like, and this is what they look like new. So in this case, this one, it's time to go, and for just a few dollars, you can replace them with a nice new poofy. Another item that you can declutter that's often found in your bathroom are old prescription eyeglasses. These kind of fall under that category of keeping the backups and maybe even the backups to the backups. I don't know how I ended up with so many pairs of glasses, but I only use the current glasses that are the correct prescription, and then I use my contacts. So between the two of those and maybe one backup. The next item that you can declutter from your bathroom would be nail polish. So if you're someone that goes to the salon and gets your nails done there, maybe you actually don't need any nail polish, or maybe just one for quick touch-ups or whatever, but you probably don't need a drawer full of nail polishes if you are a salon nail person. If the nail polish is so old that it's got that crusty around the top, or if the nail polish has actually started to kind of solidify in the container, that's a good sign that it can probably just be thrown away. Something else that you can declutter from the bathroom, and these would probably be categorized as something you can throw away, are old hair accessories. Even just little hair bands that, you know what I'm talking about, when the colored part starts to separate and you can see the elastic, and you know that's just gonna tangle in a huge knot in your head when you're trying to use that. You're not going to use it, so just throw it away. Or item number 6 would be travel toiletries that you've picked up at hotels, like those little soaps. When was the last time in your bathroom that you opened up a little soap and used it? Maybe you have. Or the little shampoos, put them in your shower and use them up, or just get rid of them. The only thing that I don't think you should get rid of, and maybe I'm alone on this, are the little travel toothpastes, because I discovered that you can actually take a larger toothpaste, hold it up to the end of the smaller toothpaste, hold them together really tight, and just squeeze the larger toothpaste, and you can actually push toothpaste into the travel toothpaste. And then there you have it. Your travel toothpaste is full and you don't have to buy those little travel toothpaste. The next thing that you should declutter in your bathroom are products. And this is a huge umbrella of things. Anything that comes in a tube or a bottle or a little container, if you're not using it, you have to kind of start to think of it as clutter and not as something you paid for or money or a valuable item. Don't let them take up space in your bathroom. The final item on this list, and I think you should leave this to last anyway because of the warning I gave before the video even started, is makeup. This is a tough one because we're always trying to just improve ourselves. So we buy certain items thinking it will make us feel better, or it'll do a certain thing or enhance a certain feature. And for a lot of us, we have our certain items that we use all the time. And so anything else is just taking up space in your bathroom. This is when you're going to want to do a makeover because you're going to find all this stuff that you don't use and think it sounds like a really great idea. If you've decluttered all the rest and your bathroom looks amazing, do the makeover and then throw all that stuff away because you'll realize why you don't use it to begin with. I'm kind of curious to know if anyone else has that problem where you go to declutter your bathroom, then all of a sudden you find some bath bombs, and so you think it's a good time to take a bath. Or you find a random face mask in the bottom of a drawer and you decide it's a good time to do a spa day, or any other distraction like that. Comment below if that happens to you too. If you're interested in similar videos about organizing and decluttering, make sure to subscribe. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.